First, download the latest version of the Soundcore app from the App Store. Once the download is complete, open the app, connect your earbuds, and enable the AI translation feature. Now we are in face-to-face translation mode. Start by selecting the languages you need to translate. Tap the bottom right button, or gently tap the touch control area on your earbuds. Start speaking. The translated speech will play through your phone. When the other person needs to speak, tap the bottom left button. Once they're done, the translated speech will automatically play through your earbuds. If you don't want to hear the translation, go to More Settings in the top right corner and turn it off. To use real-time translation, tap the Real-Time Translation button at the bottom left. Once you're in, select the languages you need to translate. Then tap the microphone icon below to start translating. You'll hear the translated speech through your earbuds.
And welcome to English Pod. My name is Marco.
And I'm Erica.
How are you, Erica?
Marco, I'm doing really well. How about you?
I'm doing great. I'm really excited because today we're talking about travel.
Bienvenidos a English Pod.
To turn off the playback, go to More Settings in the top right corner and disable it.